Yang,
Yeah.
come here. Over here. Come. Taste it. Taste. You need to
Please.
try. Yeah, try.
I try some.
How is it?
Absolutely nice.
So nice.
Yeah.
Oh, are you sure? You're not
Yeah.
kidding.
Today I will
Oh,
not go back home. I will eating udon.
you will eat dinner with me, Katiki.
Yeah.
So yan, nagustuhan niya daw yung milkfish. Okay? So hindi na daw siya uuwi ng bahay kasi gusto niyang kumain dito. Kasama ako. Kakain kami ng bangos. But guys, so I'm going to make tomato paste gravy. I will cook it with the tomato paste. You want to try?
Yes, I want to try.
Really?
Yeah.
This is what? This is like Myanmar whole?
No, this is not like Myanmar.
Then,
This is cooked Philippines.
no. What is this hole?
Oh, fish.
Oh my god, what's this hole?
It's Bangladesh. Oh.
Bangladesh? Did you see it before?
No.
How did you say? How did you say that? It's a Bangladesh hole.
No, I saw in online. This from Bangladesh. This is from.
It's
there,
very big
from
hole.
there. Yeah.
Are you kidding? Are you joking?
I'm just joking, okay?
Okay. Don't take it too serious.